Tapos yun yung milestone ng buhay ko. You know, change the trajectory of my life and my career after it.
Ikaw milestone, ako for me, coming in full circle.
A full circle ka nun. In what sense? As a commercial?
Na pwede ka mag-start as an extra in a commercial and end up na maging partner mo, na leading man.
Wow.
Yung pinag-extra mo dati.
Wow, what a full circle. Yeah, that's
diba,
right.
Parang it's a full circle for someone who's dreaming or may aspiration sa buhay na huwag kang titigil. So parang ang story talaga in life is kung may isang pintong nagsara for you, walk down the hallway and keep opening doors kasi may isang pinto na yun ang para sa'yo.
Yeah, yeah.
So parang yun ang story ko naman when we did that movie. Kasi naalala ko for the longest time, mapapartner mo na si Piolo tapos biglang pinartner ka kay ganito.
Ang tagal.
Lumipat si Angel, sabi ko, si Angel daw muna. Tapos nagka-girlfriend ka, ito daw muna yung partner niya. Sabi ko, wala na.
Wala na, hindi na narating.
Wala na ba? Kasi Inigo na lang ang hintayin ko. Hindi na ata ako mapapartner dito hanggang sa in 2014. I guess it's, well, yun yung safe to say na everything is in God's time.
Yeah, life-changing. No matter what you do, no matter what you say, pag hindi pa tapos si Lord sa'yo, or pag may plan siya sa'yo, wala kang magagawa talaga.